Finance 17C. At your 20th high school class reunion, it was decided that your class would establish a scholarship at your alma mater in honor of a teacher that you all love dearly. You want the scholarship to be awarded annually for 10 years, giving each recipient $5,000 towards their college education. So how much money do you need to have in the account that earns 5.25% interest? So we're not putting money in the account. We want to take money out on a regular basis. So how much would we have to have in that account in order to be able to give out the $5,000 every year? Okay, so that makes our withdrawal that we're looking for $5,000, and we want to do this for 10 years, and it looks like we want to do this every year. Okay, so we're looking for how much money we need to have in that account, and our interest rate is 5.25%. Okay, so again, this we will need the payout annuity formula. So let's go ahead and substitute all the numbers into the appropriate variable. So, okay, our withdrawal is 5,000. And then we have bracket 1 minus 1 plus, and it's 0.025 divided by 1. So I hope it won't upset anybody if I just write 0.0525. Raised to the negative n times t. So n times t is going to give us 10 there. And so I will be dividing by, again, 0.0525 divided by 1 is just going to give me 0.0525. And if you would like, you can go ahead and add these two quantities together, and you'll get 1.0525. Okay? All right, so putting this into our calculator, we'll get the following amount. Oops. Okay, we're going to get $38,144.20.